I'm Julie FEMBA, class of 2021, and I'm honored to have been selected as a Voice of FEMBA for GAP. I work as a manager of production in the themed entertainment industry, and a lot of people have asked me why I chose to earn my MBA. In short, I wanted to enhance my strategy, decision making, and leadership skills. I chose UCLA Anderson because I wanted a challenging traditional MBA curriculum with the ability to take entertainment and global management classes. I also really wanted a diverse cohort of students who work in a wide variety of industries and job functions so that I could learn from them as well as my professors. I chose GAP for my field study because it offered the opportunity to work as a consultant for an international company and applied everything I learned in my classes to a real world situation. During GAP, my team and I collaborated to develop a realistic and actionable business plan for a company looking to enter the US market. We performed primary and secondary research, analyzed the industry, market, and customers, and developed a model financial plan, all of which culminated in a final business plan with a presentation and Q&A. As I transition into my post-MBA career, GAP has shown me that I can apply everything I have learned in classes to real-world situations. I now have the experience of taking a complex question and working with a team to utilize our strengths to develop a plan for answering it, and then implementing that plan to create, communicate, and defend a recommendation. At first, GAP can seem a bit overwhelming. I know it did to me, but the program is structured in a way that each assignment builds on the one before and allows students to navigate through the process as a team. GAP really has been one of the most valuable aspects of the FEMBA program to me because of the practical application of everything I had learned in classes. I hope that sharing a bit of my experience in GAP leads you to wonder what you can learn at UCLA Anderson and where it'll take you.